Lot F106 is a 1959 Chevrolet El Camino with a 348 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. And it bid to $50,000 but did not sell on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 9,803 miles. And the highlights are comprehensive restoration, 348 cubic inch V8 engine, W heads, automatic transmission, silver with red interior, power steering, power brakes, fender skirts, tinted glass, bed rug, full-size wheel covers, and wide white wall tires. And this one looked really good in the silver paint, had a beautiful paint job on it, and it was a nice contrast to the red interior. And this one had a beautiful restoration done to it. It looks better in person than it does in the video, in the pictures. I can see why the seller wanted more than $50,000 for it, but that's all it brought, so he ended up taking it back home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.